Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to deactivate Facebook account with Facebook Lite app. So first you will need to log into your Facebook in your Facebook Lite app. Now just click on this hamburg menu in the top right corner. After that, go to settings here, and under this account center you need to click on personal details. It's just like the Facebook. Now go to personal details under account settings. Here it will show you your personal details. Just click on the last option, account ownership and control. You will see the deactivation or deletion option. Click on that. Now go ahead and click on your profile. Now select the deactivate account option and click on continue. So you will need to type your password once for your deactivation. After entering your password, it will take you to this page where you have to select any of these options. So click on anything and click on continue. So it will show you this page where you can reactivate your account automatically. So you can set within how many days you want to reactivate your account. Then if you don't want to reactivate it automatically, you can click on don't reactivate automatically, then click on done and continue, and finally click on deactivate my account. Know that you can still use your messenger if you have deactivated your account. And these are all the steps you need to follow in order to deactivate your Facebook account with Facebook Lite app. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.